Are you ready to electrify your investment portfolio? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of utility stocks, exploring 5 top contenders that could power up your returns and provide long-term stability. Get ready to learn why these companies are more than just essential services, they're potentially electrifying investments. First up, we're examining Fortis Inc. ticker FTS, a Canadian powerhouse with a global reach. Fortis has a long history of delivering consistent returns, making it a favorite among dividend investors. They boast a remarkable 49 consecutive years of dividend increases, a testament to their stability and commitment to shareholder value. What makes Fortis so resilient? They operate a diversified portfolio of regulated utilities across Canada, the US, and the Caribbean. This geographic spread reduces risk and ensures a steady stream of revenue, plus their focus on renewable energy positions them well for the future. When analyzing Fortis, pay close attention to their payout ratio, the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends. A healthy payout ratio indicates sustainability and room for future increases. Also consider their debt levels, as a well-managed balance sheet is crucial for long-term success. Fortis might not offer explosive growth, but their predictable performance and commitment to dividends make them a cornerstone for any diversified portfolio. If you're seeking a reliable source of passive income, Fortis is worth a serious look. Remember, always do your own research before investing and consider your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Next, we're plugging into Canadian Utilities Limited, ticker CU, another Canadian giant in the utility sector. If you're searching for dividend consistency, look no further. Canadian Utilities holds the impressive record for the longest consecutive dividend increases among Canadian companies, a remarkable 50 years and counting. This track record speaks volumes about their commitment to shareholders and their ability to generate reliable earnings. Canadian Utilities operates a vast network of regulated utilities, primarily in Canada, providing electricity, natural gas, and other essential services. This focus on regulated businesses ensures predictable revenue streams, further solidifying their dividend-paying power. When researching Canadian utilities, delve into their dividend payout ratio. A sustainable ratio, ideally below 75%, indicates they can comfortably maintain their dividend payments. Also, assess their debt levels and cash flow generation, as these factors impact their financial health. Canadian utilities might not experience rapid growth, but their rock-solid dividend history and stable business model make them a compelling choice for income-focused investors. Remember, conduct thorough research before investing and align your choices with your overall investment strategy. This chapter, we're diving deep into Amera Incorporated, ticker EMA. You know I love my dividend stocks, and Amera, with its consistent track record and strategic acquisitions, is a name you need to know. Amera isn't your average utility company. They've got a diverse portfolio with operations not just in Canada but also in the US and the Caribbean. This geographic spread helps to minimize risk as they're not solely reliant on one market. Imagine a storm hitting one region. Amera's got other areas that can pick up the slack. Now, let's talk about their growth strategy. They've been actively expanding through acquisitions, boosting their assets and customer base. This aggressive approach shows they're not content with just sitting still, they're actively pursuing opportunities to become a dominant player in the utility sector. And let's not forget about their commitment to renewable energy. They're investing heavily in wind, solar, and hydro, positioning themselves for a future where sustainability is key. This forward-thinking approach is something I always look for in a long-term investment. So what makes Amera stand out? It's their unique combination of geographic diversification, strategic acquisitions, and a strong focus on renewable energy. They're not just riding the current wave, they're shaping the future of the utility sector. If you're looking for a stable, dividend-paying company with a clear vision for the future, Amera Incorporated deserves a spot on your watch list. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just my perspective on a company that I find particularly interesting. Now let's move on to the next powerhouse in the utility sector, Hydro One Limited, ticker H. Alright, let's talk about Hydro One Limited, a major player in the Canadian utility market. You know, when I think about safe and stable investments, utilities are always top of mind, and Hydro One, with its regulated monopoly in Ontario, really fits the bill. They've got a massive network, transmitting and distributing electricity to millions of customers. Think about it. People always need power, no matter what the economy is doing. This makes Hydro One a pretty resilient investment, even during those market downturns. Now, their stock performance has been steady, delivering consistent returns over the years. Plus, they've been paying dividends for a long time, which is something I always look for in a long-term investment. But hey, it's not all smooth sailing. There are some risks to consider. They're heavily regulated, which can sometimes impact their profitability. And like any utility, they're always facing the challenge of maintaining aging infrastructure, which can be costly. For American investors, Hydro One offers a unique opportunity to diversify their portfolio with a company that has a strong track record of performance and reliability. Their extensive infrastructure and commitment to sustainable energy make them a solid choice for long-term investment. What's not to love? Now, let's dive into Algonquin Power and Utilities Corp, ticker AQN. Algonquin is another prominent Canadian utility company, delivering consistent returns for decades. They have a diversified portfolio with operations in both Canada and the US, and a strong focus on renewable energy. Think wind, solar, hydro, all those clean energy sources that are crucial for a sustainable future. Algonquin has been growing steadily, both organically and through strategic acquisitions. This growth strategy has definitely caught the attention of investors, including those in the US. They've also been paying a decent dividend, which is always a nice bonus. But remember, diversification doesn't always mean smooth sailing. Algonquin has faced some challenges in recent years, with rising interest rates impacting their profitability. And their stock performance has been a bit volatile compared to some of the other utilities we've discussed. However, if you're bullish on the long-term prospects of renewable energy, Algonquin could be an interesting investment. Just be mindful of the risks and make sure it aligns with your overall investment strategy. Now let's discuss why American investors might find Canadian utility stocks particularly appealing. Firstly, investing in Canadian utility companies offers a solid form of diversification. By spreading investments across different markets, you reduce the risk associated with any single economy or regulatory environment. Diversification is a key principle in building a resilient portfolio. Secondly, Canadian utility companies have a reputation for stability and regular dividend payouts. This makes them an attractive option for income-focused investors who seek consistent returns. The steady cash flow from dividends can be a significant advantage, especially in uncertain market conditions. Lastly, Canada's strong regulatory environment ensures that these companies operate efficiently and sustainably. This regulatory framework protects investors by maintaining high operational standards and promoting long-term value creation. It's an added layer of security that can be reassuring for those looking to invest their hard-earned money. So, whether you're looking to diversify, secure steady income, or benefit from a stable regulatory environment, Canadian utility stocks can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. Always remember to assess how these factors align with your personal financial goals and risk tolerance.